his pants dash torn during the match. Option C, were, his pants were torn during the match. Rahul, together with his wife, dash the guests of the party. Option A, greets, Rahul, together with his wife, greets the guests of the party. Tweezers dash always useful to handle small objects. Option D, tweezers are always useful to handle small objects. The jury dash not convinced. Option B, was, the jury was not convinced. The truthful dash always trustworthy. Option C, the truthful are always trustworthy. Each of the girls dash her own dress. Option A, has, each of the girls has her own dress. Shilpa, my childhood friend dash leaving for Delhi next month. Option C, is, Shilpa, my childhood friend is leaving for Delhi next month. Either Tina or Rohit dash telling lies. Option A, is, either Tina or Rohit is telling lies. A number of people dash reported to have fallen sick after drinking the water from the tube well. Option C, were, a number of people were reported to have fallen sick after drinking the water from the tube well. If anybody dash for me, do let me know. Option D, calls, if anybody calls for me, do let me know. The pile of books dash on the table. Option B is, the pile of books is on the table. What dash your thoughts on the recent developments? Option D. What are your thoughts on the recent developments? The team of experts dash working tirelessly on the project. Option A is, the team of experts is working tirelessly on the project. Both the mother and her children dash the family vacation. Option B, enjoy, both the mother and her children enjoy the family vacation. The library dash a wide range of books and magazines. Option B, offers, the library offers a wide range of books and magazines. The collection of rare coins dash displayed in the museum. Option A is, the collection of rare coins is displayed in the museum. Somebody dash to join the hiking club. Option B, wants, somebody wants to join the hiking club. There dash many difficulties regarding the situation. Option C, there were many difficulties regarding the situation. Here dash the tomb of Albert Einstein. Option A, lies, here lies the tomb of Albert Einstein. A pair of trousers dash all that I brought along. Option D is, a pair of trousers is all that I brought along.